Hello there, I'm Kenji. Sometimes my hair gets long. Long hair can feel itchy or heavy. Long hair can easily get messy too. When my hair feels this way, Mom and Dad will tell me, "It's time for a haircut." Sometimes thinking about a haircut makes me feel uncomfortable. I guess that feeling is okay. Lots of kids feel this way. And besides, Mom and Dad will be there to help me. Here we go. I'll sit in the big chair. It might go up or down. I am brave when I sit in the chair. The barber puts a cape on me. The cape keeps hair off my clothes. But the cape might feel tight, itchy, or funny. It's okay, I can handle this. I can take deep breaths while Mom helps me put the cape on. The cape makes me look and feel like a superhero. Now the nice barber will start cutting my hair. I hear scissors. Snip, snip, snip. I hear clippers or a razor. Bzzz. The buzzy vibration on my head might make me feel uneasy. But that's okay. Taking deep breaths can help me feel calm. If the sound is too loud, I can wear earphones. This vibration will be over soon. If my body feels wiggly, I can hold a fidget toy. If I need to pause, I can say, "Break, please." Soon my haircut will be done. The cape comes off. Loose hair is brushed away. I look in the mirror. My hair looks great. Mom and Dad are proud of me. I was brave, like a superhero, and I did a great job. The end. Follow, like, and share the Sibol Project PH. Love all the learning opportunity.